Welcome back for another video today. Just a quick one. I had a public service announcement, PSA, to do for you today. If you have a bike rack for your Model Y, especially because it has, well actually now the Model 3s, the new Model 3s do have the power trunk as well. So this might be important for you as well. Definitely make sure that you do something for the bike rack that will protect the car from you opening the trunk when it is not intended. So check out this damage I got here on the Model Y. So you can see right here on the Model Y, that's where we had the bike rack on there, and there's actually a bolt on the side of the bike rack that comes out, and we just opened the trunk accidentally, not thinking about it, and when it opened it went right into that bolt and not only made a decent dent in there, but it also took off the paint. So I think we'll be able to fix that with a little touch-up paint and popping that dent out, so hopefully it won't be too bad. But obviously you want to try to avoid that, and the way to avoid that is, well, in our case, just going to put a pool noodle on it, and that protects it. There's actually a bolt right here that sticks out, and that is what actually damaged the car. Again, just a quick PSA for those of you that might have a bike rack for your Model 3 or Model Y, or really any vehicle where you have a power lift gate. Definitely something you want to watch out for, because it's easy to just actually open that and not remember that it's not going to actually clear that bike rack and could cause some damage to your car. So that's it, just a quick one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.